Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how I got Ublock origin back and fully working in Chrome 140. The new Chrome update broke a lot of extensions, including the ad blockers, but there are a few steps that fix Ublock instantly. First of all, if your Chrome disabled the extension, you just have to open your Chrome, then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, hover over to the extensions and click on the option of manage extensions. Once you are here on this extensions page, you need to look for Ublock origin. If it is marked as disabled, you need to simply turn it back on. Chrome 140 automatically disables the older extensions, so re-enabling it is the fastest fix that you can do. Now, if it still doesn't block the ads, you can turn off the enhanced ad privacy features. For that, you need to open the settings of your Chrome. Here, you need to look for the option of ad privacy. So here in your settings, you just have to search ad and then simply type privacy. So here in the ad privacy option, you need to disable any kind of tracking or ad measurement options. Chrome 140's new privacy tools interfere with the content blockers, and switching them off restores your Ublock's filtering. So you can update your filters list inside Ublock as well. For that, you need to go to the settings of Ublock. There you just have to look for the option of filters, and then you can just simply click on the option of update now. The outdated filters are also the major reason why your ad suddenly reappear. So this way you will be able to get the Ublock origin working again in Chrome 140. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.